In terms of our hosting ng Men's World Championship?
It's good. We're very happy that the men's volleyball and Philippine volleyball in general is getting a lot of support because volleyball wouldn't be as big as it is now if it weren't for the fans. So we're glad that it's reaching better heights, more people, and kahit sa LRT, malaking bagay talaga na they're helping us promote this very big event coming to the Philippines.
Iyan doon sa about lang yung recent achievements yun sa series. Itong dalawang wins as the leaders of the team.
Very happy and proud kami sa team dahil yung progress talaga ng team is nagiging mas consistent na and yun pa talaga yung pagtatrabahuan namin na mas umangat pa yung podium finish.
We're happy because not just because of the podium finishes, but also because yung pinaka-goal naman talaga namin is to build something long-term. So these are all building blocks towards what we want to do as a team. And here naman yung direction sa aming players and sa coaches kung ano yung gusto namin ma-achieve. So the small steps ng progress ng building a system and getting more people to come in the team and buy into the system, it shows then na yung recent wins namin that things are working. So sana magtuloy-tuloy din po talaga. Happy that a lot of people and fans are very invested in the sport, especially the national team. So syempre, we're bringing pride to the country. We're doing our best talaga to show up and build something long term, just like I said. But at the same time, everyone that came into this team knew what we were signing up for. We knew that to stay in the team, we had to believe in the system, the coach's systems, kay Coach George, and everyone is working towards the same direction. So we're very happy naman na everyone is doing what they can to contribute to what we're building now. And we're grateful that a lot of people are talking about it. But at the same time, yun lang talaga. We trust the system, we trust the coaches, and we're just here to show up every day.
Gia, Tony, yun nga, can you talk about the new growth ng mga bata sa team, Angel, Cinderella, Justine, being the veterans of the team, kumbaga they're also racking up awards na rin dun sa mga tournaments sa yun. How proud are you lang din yung parang kumbaga steady growth nila throughout the nation?
Siguro sa mga bata, this is a very important time for them. Yung to gain experience, yung ma-expose pa sila. Kasi ganitong level yung kailangan nilang laruin para parang mababaon nila yung experience na to coming into the next competition pa. And syempre, paano nila i-share yun going back to their universities or to their club teams. Tsaka dun sa future na mag-join pa ng team ng national team.
Tsaka regarding dun sa question about the mixing and matching of players, kasi it's what is needed in the national team, especially with tournaments na everyday naglalaro. It's not like the local tournaments that we play na you can stick to a specific 7 and then you get to rest 4 or 5 days before the next game. Ito, everyday naglalaro and we're expected to be able to play with anyone who is put inside the court. And ngayon, it shows na even the young ones, experienced ones, we're all comfortable playing with each other. And that's because start pa lang nung season na to, even last year, sila coach did everything they could and are encouraging us to be able to play and perform no matter who is playing beside us inside the court. Kasi, yun nga, at the end of the day, we're all playing in the same system, we're all trusting the same system, so it should be easier for us to work together kahit sino pong ipasok sa loob. And it just goes to show na whoever is put inside, kung sino man kaming nasa labas, we totally support kung sino ang papasok sa court. So, yeah, we're grateful that things are going our way and sana po tuloy-tuloy rin po yung support.